Today, I'll show you how to change your Google account name. If you want to update the name shown on your Google profile, the process is very simple, and you can do it in just a few steps from your phone or computer. This is useful if you recently changed your name, fixed a spelling mistake, or just want your account details to look more professional. To begin, open any Google service such as Gmail, YouTube, Google Drive, or the Google app itself. In the top right corner, tap or click on your profile picture, then choose Manage your Google account. This will take you to the main settings page for your account. Once you're there, go to the Personal Info section. On this page, you'll see different details connected to your account, including your birthday, contact information, and your name. Find the name option and open it. Now you'll see your current first name and last name. Tap the Edit option and enter the new name you want to use. Take a moment to double-check the spelling before saving, especially if you use this Google account for work, school, or business communication. After entering the new name, tap Save. Google will then update your account information. In many cases, the new name appears quickly, but sometimes it can take a little time before the change shows across all Google services. It's also important to know that Google may limit how often you can change your account name, so before you confirm the update, make sure you're happy with the version you entered. Also, changing your Google account name is different from changing the display name inside some individual apps. So depending on the service, there may be slight differences in how the name appears. If you're using a computer, the steps are almost the same. Open your browser, go to your Google account page, click Personal Info, select Name, enter your new details, and save the changes. And that's it. That's how to change your Google account name quickly and easily. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.